Okay, I'm gonna try and show you the zoom on this B600 camera, but I'm quite lucky where I live because I live about 10 miles away from Dublin Airport, so you can see with a flight radar app here, if you can show you that there's a Ryanair taking off to Lisbon, and in about 5 minutes that'll be flying over my house. So I'm gonna try and show you the video zoom on the B600. Now the camera zoom is much better and it's a lot easier to get pictures, but the video zoom is a bit of a nightmare, especially because it's so sunny out as well. So when this takes off, I'm gonna try and show you the video zoom on it. Now this plane will be about 5,000 feet above the house, so it'll be hard to get, but I'll try. As you can see, the glare off the sun makes it hard for the camera to focus, but
Not just said this is song Vietnam sing. Right,